Let us learn three types of letters: sky letters, grass letters, and root letters. Sky letters are letters with stems that extend upwards to the top line of a 3 or 4 line writing system. Grass letters are the lowercase letters that sit entirely on the baseline without extending above the upper line or below the bottom line on a lined paper. Root letters are the letters whose stems extend below the middle line and reach the bottom line. Sky letters: B, D, F, H, K, L, T. Grass letters: A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X. Root letters: G, J, P, Q, Y, Z. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more videos.